Turn my camera on then.
Made it quicker. Amazing how that works, ain't it?
Yep.
Not a docile now, but it's still good. Well, look at that thing flip now. No, it didn't. It just died. Good landing gear.
Yeah, that worked good. Dead stick landing.
That was more excitement than I needed right at the moment.
Doug's new Eagle. Eagle 2, I think it is. Getting ready for a first test flight. He just built this over winter from a kit. Guess he's getting ready. Setting it on the ground. I guess maybe I should stand up now. I feel it on my back. Starter was going that much. She's airborne.
Quickly. Whoa. A little gusty up there.
253 RPMs. You must have idled it down at the time.
It gives you goofy numbers sometimes.
Yeah, it sounds more. That's what I was just thinking. It just said 1,000.
I paying attention to what I'm doing. I can't.
1,015 RPMs.
Should be running more than that. Apparently, it's not reading right. Yeah, I heard that. 1,500. It's not reading right.
I think I should idle around 1,500, shouldn't I?
2,000, yeah. 2,000 is pretty slow. Probably got to do some settings.
Then you're only idling. You're flying pretty good for just idling.
Yeah.
468 RPMs.
Yeah, it's reading. It's not set right in here, I think. There's settings in here. It's reading the wrong thing. It acts like it's only picking up part of the time.
220 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,273 RPM, 3 minutes. Temperature 214 degrees Fahrenheit.
She talks too much though.
Yeah, I know.
That'd get kind of annoying.
That's driving me nuts.
Temperature 204 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Temperature 214 degrees Fahrenheit, 1311
I gotta shut her up, she's driving me crazy.
Temperature 211 degrees Fahrenheit, 1728 RPM.
Yeah, I think the wind
Temperature
stopped me.
195 degrees Fahrenheit, 1578 RPM. Temperature 193 degrees Fahrenheit.
See, it's saying 3,500 right now, and that's probably about right.
162 RPM.
See, it went up 4,000.
4,000? Sounds like she's saying 1,000.
See, it said 3,500 on here. 34, 35.
1,400, she said.
Yeah, she's not reading the same as what it's saying.
1,000.
RPM.
Maybe she's supposed to be saying 3,000.
It might be cutting it off.
Yeah.
It might be only getting the 1,000 and not getting the 3.
Yep.
16 RPM, 5 minutes. Temperature
That's
185
on that.
degrees Fahrenheit.
Now I check screws and
Temperature
stuff in it.
185 degrees Fahrenheit, 1643 RPM.